My name is Casey Adams. I'm the owner of DC Signs and Designs. We started back in 2007, doing motorsports graphics, a little bit of oilfield safety signage. Got out of school roughly around then, and just things got crazy. The wrap world took off. We were one of the first people around doing vehicle wraps, a lot of race car wraps, and from there just kind of snowballed into bigger, better, stronger, faster printers. The technology was advancing pretty crazy back in the day. We were just kind of one of the first people to jump on board and go all in with vehicle wraps. Almost 20 years later, and we're still leading edge of technology, wrapping things we probably shouldn't be, just having fun with it, making cool stuff. Kind of making people think, why would you do that? But when they're thinking about why we're doing that, they're staring at your logo, they're staring at your vehicle. What sets the tone here at DC Signs? Obviously, premium materials. We deal with a lot of, high-end clients. We do a lot of really cool, bright, vibrant, eye-catching wraps. We are, there's a lot to choose from in this world, so just, we do cool shit. That's it. Stop by the shop, check it out, check us out online, give us a like and a follow, and thank you.